Friends, in respect to the previous lecture, Cauchy's stress principle Tx dy Tz we have calculated in the previous lecture with the help of direction cosine lmn. We have to find out the stress transformation. What is stress transformation? Suppose in any problem, in the given problem, any type of surface is given having the coordinate x, y and z. If suppose in place of x, y and z one oblique plane is given, x dash. Suppose this is a normal with respect to this point O having x dash face. This is a oblique plane. So if I have to calculate the new stress distribution or new stress transformation, new stress component with respect to this oblique plane x dash, I have to be calculated the new direction cosine with respect to this x dash, y dash and z dash. These are the new oblique plane which are not with respect to this x, y, z. These are the new oblique plane. If I have to calculate the stress component on this oblique plane, new oblique plane, so for that I have to calculate the stress transformation new direction cosine lmn. So what will be the new direction cosine with respect to this oblique plane? If I talk about this oblique plane x dash, this is x dash acting the normal stress sigma x dash. I have considered here sigma x dash acting on this x dash face. So what will be the direction cosine L? Here the direction cosine is the angle of that plane with respect to the given axis, means the angle between the x dash and x is equal to L1. The angle between the x dash and y is equal to M1. The angle between the x dash and this z, that will give you N1. So for this x dash I can calculate the direction cosine L1 M1 N1, means x dash with respect to x, y and z. Similarly for these y dash, another oblique plane y dash, the new direction cosine with respect to x, y and z axis L2 M2 and N2. Similarly z dash, the new oblique plane z dash, the direction cosine with respect to x, y, z will be L3 M3 N3. By calculating all these LMN, L1 M1 N1, L2 M2 N2, L3 M3 N3 with respect to the new oblique plane x, y, z dash, we can calculate the stress transformation or the stress distribution on the new oblique plane.